In this tutorial, I will tell you about the Phalcon route. Don't know this if you are new to MVC framework. Route is a system where you can create alternative route or create alternative URLs which help to hide your controller and action functions. Now let's back to code editor and set up our route component. Open editor and type this use Phalcon MVC route. Router, not route. Yes. Now let's create our router configuration. First going our Phalcon documentation and check dependency injection, container set route. I copy this and paste on there. In my case, that is not container, it is di, and I cannot create this file. Now I create this file inside on app config route. Yes, I create this file and set this route file inside on copy and paste on there. I set these commands, open browser and type my URL. I have faced many problems in this time. Phalcon public index.php line now on 110. Failed open stream, no such file or directory. Yes, I see this problem. Now check this. Open browser, go to di container. Look at that, why I can face this problem. htdocs phalcon.me, my URL and public is default setup, and app is a folder, config and routes is my server check inside on public directory, inside on this public directory, but I set up this inside on app.config directory. Check my config directory and I set this base URL with .env. I also check my env. Yes, our base URL, this base URL on .env, else if this base URL, check. And now set up our base URL. I go and use inside di. I pass my di function inside on route function. Now I delete this and type di get di get. I also check my root path. My real path is root path, and I set my root path inside on there. Offset get root path. I call this path inside on there. Insert. Open browser and check. Yes, it's worked. Back to editor. I close some unnecessary file. Check this route. Yes, it insert on there. And now it is not required. It is unnecessary. Go to the controller. Index controller. Open another controller, user controller. After I complete my tutorial part 11, then I create some bolt front end. This is index action on user controller and logging action on user controller. Set my first route, that is logging. Route 8. Comment second option, logging. Controller name is user. And action name is logging. I set this action name logging. Now check my router on this URL. Copy and paste base URL and URL path logging. Remove double slash and click OK. Yes, our logging page is activated. Let's create another routing. It is use. I copy this and paste on there and write admin and controller user, and action is this action index. Passed on and copy this option and try again admin. Yes, this second route is worked. I create these two routes. One is logging URL, another is admin URL. Back to Phalcon workplace. Yes. Next tutorial I will describe advanced routing, how to set up this kind of routing, and many things that is important for our URL API building or something else. Thanks for watching.